demonstrative. Okay, the demonstrative adjectives definition is like this. On utilise les actifs démonstratifs pour désigner un être ou une chose. Okay, so we use demonstrative adjectives to point out a living or non-living thing. Shows means thing, which means non-living thing. Fine. And there is one rule he is telling Abhinav, if masculine noun is starting with H, at that time we use set. So basically our focus should be here. In English it is this and these. In English it is this and these. So let's see how do we say this in French. In English language we have only one this, but in French we have four kind of this, we can say. Okay, actually it is three. Okay, let's see how. With masculine, if any noun is masculine, then you will use se, sa. So it's mean if you want to say this boy, so you will say sa garçon. If you want to say this boy, you will say sa garçon. Very good. Another thing is there, book is also a masculine, and you know it very well. If you want to say this book, so actually book is masculine, and you have learned in class 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will also use sa livre. Okay. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Okay. With feminine we use set. With feminine we use set, and this means also this. Okay, so here I am with Arjun. So Arjun will read these two examples loudly. Just see on screen, you can read, Arjun. Set fille, which means this girl or daughter. Next word, set femme. Yeah, femme is woman, so this which means this lady. Now masculine feminine form is done. With masculine we use sa in as this, and feminine set. Okay, now you see here for vowel, masculine and feminine both noun is starting with vowel. If noun is masculine, and another thing you can see, H is also considered as vowel. Okay, so if the noun is masculine, so with masculine noun you will use C-E-T, C-E-T, say. This also you will pronounce as say, and any one of you can read these two examples.
Sir, can I?
Okay, sure.
Sir, set Ami and set hum.
Set Tom, set Tom, set Ami.
Yes, set Tom.
Set Tom. So you can see Ami is starting with vowel and it is masculine. So we are saying using CET, say. But actually the next word is starting with vowel. So that's why we are pronouncing this in French, liaison. C'est ami and c'est Tom. Here we will not pronounce H, because if any word starts with H in French, we doesn't give pronunciation. H is a mute sound in French language. Now, 3 part is done. Number 4 is very easy. If noun is feminine, we use set. Okay. And now if feminine noun is starting with vowel, even for that we will use set. So you can see it's very easy. With feminine we use only one thing, set. So you can see Ami, you know very well, this A-M-I means friend, masculine friend, and this A-M-I-E means feminine friend. Like we can say Saheli in Hindi. Okay, this one is that. Okay, who will do this? Please tell me. Anybody can read these two examples?
Sir, can I, Abdurrahman?
Okay, sure.
Set Ami, set image.
Image, very good. Set Ami, set image. Now you know very well we have 3 kinds of this in French. First one is sa with masculine. Second one is set with masculine starting with vowel. Third one is set for feminine or feminine is starting with vowel. Now we have only one left, and that is these. Now let's see how do we say these. So these, for these we have only one word, and that is CES, say. Whether it is masculine or feminine, we use CES, which means these. So you can see whether it is starting with vowel, consonant, H, you will use, if it is plural, you will use S, CES, say. Okay, so who will read this? Anybody can take this one. Okay, so I am taking this. Okay, I am taking this one. Sesame. Sesame is these men, and this is Sezafa. Look at my pronunciation. Okay, Sesame, these men, Sezafa, these kids or children. Seeing this S in the ending, you can understand these are plural. Okay, fine. So think again, I am telling you all with plural, we use only CES. Okay. And with feminine, we use only CETTE, set. With masculine singular, we use CE. And with masculine singular starting with vowel, we use CET. So things are very easy. Plural, say, feminine, set. Only change with masculine. Even with first one you can remember. You need to keep in mind if any singular noun is starting with vowel, so then you will use CET. You can see it's very, very easy. Now, keeping all the things on your screen, I am starting exercise here. Let's see how many of you can do this. So like you can see first, okay, Abdul Rahman, Ayush or Abhinav, whosoever want, read. Ayush has some health issue, so he can decide when he want to do. Okay, anybody can take this one. Read the question. Anybody can? Yeah. Anybody can read?
Sir, can I read Abdurrahman?
Don't ask children. Now just directly start. You can start. If you know you can start, it's very good for me.
Choisis la réponse appropriée.
Very good. Choisis la réponse appropriée. So children, you will write, choose the appropriate answer, response. So first question is here, meso a bell. What is the meaning of meso, children? Tell me. Okay. Suppose that I have Google Translate in my hand. I will open like this. Meso means house. The one thing, meso means house. If you don't know, you will use open your Google Translate. You will click here. You will choose French. You will write here meso. Okay. And you will get the English meaning. Meso means house. Okay. Meso means house. Now tell me, house, meso is masculine or feminine in French? Do you have any idea? Meso is masculine or feminine in French? Yeah, so this is the biggest problem. If you don't know, you are in problem. But if you don't know, and if I will,
It is feminine.
Yeah, very good. So if you don't know, but now Abdul told everyone that this is feminine. Now if you know and if you remember for long time, for every time, okay, then it is very good. But if you will forget again, then it is very bad. So for feminine, what we use, children, which one is correct? How do we? Okay, I got answer from Arjun here, which is correct. You can tell me all instead of writing now. Okay, very good. Ayush has given answer. So for feminine, we use set meso a bell, which means this house is beautiful. Children, write beautiful. So from today, you know meso is feminine. Whenever meso will come, you will understand that meso is a feminine noun in French. Okay, next word is, okay, Arjun is reading next word. Okay, so Arjun said Janavid Pa I does not invite. Okay, so Gakso means boy. Now what you will use, children, here? With very good. Okay, so with masculine what we use, everybody?
Sir, CE.
Very good. Excellent. So with masculine we use CE. So you will write here Janavid Pa Sa Garçon. I does not or do not invite this boy. You can see it's very easy. Next question. Hotel. Now hotel, I am telling you all now, know from today, hotel means hotel, it is masculine. Okay. Okay, but remember one thing, hotel is starting with vowel and it is masculine. Now what will be the answer? Anybody? Yeah, very good.
Sir.
Yeah, Ayush, very good. Arjun, very good. Yeah. So with H, with noun, singular noun starting with vowel, we use CET. So you will say cet hotel a très grand. Très grand means very big. This it means this hotel is very big. Next question. J'achète. Achète means to buy. And image, I am telling you all, image is feminine. And for feminine, you know very well whether it is starting with noun. Yeah. Yeah. So what will be the answer, children? Excellent. From Arjun, Ayush. Yes. So we will use, what is the answer, children? Okay. What will be the answer? J'achète, I buy. Very good. Set. J'achète, cette image. I buy this image. Achète means to buy. You can see how easy exercise it is. You know why it is easy? Because today